How to change number on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change number on WhatsApp. So in order to change number on WhatsApp, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. So first thing, make sure to update your application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update the application. So after updating your application, click on the login button or open button and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your WhatsApp application, this is how the interface is going to look like. On this interface, click on the three dot icon located right on top, click on settings. After that, go to accounts once you're on the settings page, and over here you can see right in between there is an option add change number. If you're sure about changing the number, go through the above statement and then click on the next button. Now first of all, you need to provide in your current phone number or the old phone number. After that, type in a new phone number that you want to replace it with and click on the next button. On the other page there will be a confirmation. If you're sure about it, then click on the next button, and that is how you can successfully change your phone number on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.